So, Council today approved collective bargaining agreements, and I understand that they're 5-year contracts, and the reason for that was there was some concern by the unions regarding current state legislation. Could you talk a little bit about that?
Yes, in our negotiations with the 3 unions that the City Council approved their contracts tonight, we looked at 5-year agreements, which is highly unusual. In the past, the longest agreements we've had is 3 years. And I think it comes out of concerns that the unions have for what's happening in Des Moines with the state legislature looking at collective bargaining law changes.
And so for them, they thought a 5-year contract was advantageous because?
Well, one of the things the new collective bargaining bill that's been introduced does is it eliminates a lot of the employee rights in collective bargaining. And so the law does allow for any existing collective bargaining agreements to continue to exist and to protect those employee rights. And there are ones that we've worked with in the past, and so we were accepting of that. And we were able to negotiate what we all think was a fair pay raise. In addition, the city was able to get some things in the area of health care where some employee contributions increased, and we hope that's going to help us control some of our health care costs.
Okay, so from the city's perspective, felt that the 5-year contract was advantageous, not only, I understand, because of the changes regarding health care, but you also, I think, mentioned that it provides some sort of stability, predictability.
Sure, a 5-year contract for us provides predictability in our employee cost and stability for our organization. So along with the health care changes that we were able to negotiate, we think it's a good contract for both parties.
So I hope this doesn't come to anything. There is nothing wrong with the collective bargaining that Iowans have enjoyed for in excess of 40 years. It's worked. It's kept a solid, reliable workforce coming to work. It's kept them adequately but not ridiculously paid. And it's given them opportunities to work towards improvements of things that were important to them that may be different from community to community.